Hey guys, in this video we're going to be retouching this image. All these stubborn and heavy blemishes are going to be gone within few seconds using the ASAP retouch. Make sure you watch this video to the end because apart from showing you how to automatically retouch your images in Photoshop, I'm also going to share with you my trick on how to get amazing skin tone inside Photoshop. Everything I teach is super easy and step by step so you can follow along and it's not going to take long at all. With ASAP Retouch, you just click on the Auto Retouch right here like this using the settings that fits your image and you see the images getting retouched for you layer by layer right here. And once that is done, you're going to see the before and the after. So here was the before and here is the after. Let's zoom in closely like this. Take a look at the before and the after. Zoom in closely, the before and the after. As this is amazing, the image has been retouched for us automatically. But this is Photoshop. You just can't give this image to your client or just go on to post this image and on your social media just like that. That's not how it works. Except you are going for a very fast edit. This is okay. You can give to your client because there's no more blemish, there's no more pimples, frequency separation smashed. Let's see the layers created. You see have blemish remover, frequency separation, magical skin tone, eye whitening, teeth whitening, and a little bit of smart sharpening. Here is the before and here is the after. But go further to refine this retouching. There's a lot you can still do on this image to make it look amazing. That's why it's good to use plugins inside Photoshop because Photoshop is the most powerful uh, photo retouching software out there and there's no one close. And if you have a different opinion, let me know in the comment section right now. So create a stamp visible layer, Control Shift Alternate E to create a stamp visible layer in your Windows. If it's Mac you're using, Command Shift Option E to create a stamp visible layer. Once you create this stamp visible layer, you come to Filter, go to Camera Raw Filter. Inside the camera raw filter, there's something I noticed. This image is not that sharp. It's not as sharp and crisp as I would like it, and that's maybe from when it was shot. So to fix that, we are going to come right here and add some textures, some clarity, the haze, and add a little bit of grain. You see right now, there's more details in the image. Here was the before, and here is where we are right now. Before, after. So simple tricks like this are going to make your images look amazing. Subscribe to this channel right now because I'll be putting out more super helpful tips, tricks, and photography tutorials. So we also sharpen right here in Photoshop. Sorry, right here in Camera Raw, sharpen like this. Increase the radius to make the details in the sharpening more visible and increase the details a little bit. And nothing too much. Here before, here after. You can see the massive difference before, after. So don't forget to always do this on your images, even if you're not using ASAP for any reason best known to you. But I recommend you get ASAP. The download is absolutely free to download it. You only pay for credits for some functionalities. The other functionalities in ASAP that are absolutely free. Download ASAP. There's an instructional video on how to use, how to install, and how to go about ASAP. So download ASAP right now. So here was the before and here is the after. To fix the color cast, we start right here in our camera raw. If you take this hand picker tool and click on the places that are supposed to be gray, here it's too white, so it's not picking it right now. If you maybe find places like this and click on where it's supposed to be gray, it's going to fix that color cast in the color temperature. Here was the before and here is the after. So this is just the beginning. Come right here to your HSL sliders. In the HSL sliders, you can change the tone. This is skin tone color grading. You can change the tone. So adjust the oranges like this. Add a bit of green to the oranges to get this kind of tone that we're going for this image. And to add that glow, internal glow into your skin tone, increase the luminosity of the oranges. So you can also reduce the saturation to remove the yellow color cast. Reduce more the saturation of this right here and you can see the before and the after. Everything is now coming out better and better and better and better. So once we're done with that, come back into Photoshop right here. Here was the before and here's the after. The image is looking more realistic right now. And come take selective color and continue your color grading. Selective color to color grade your skin to deal with the yellows and the oranges. Sometimes you come to the neutrals if maybe there's a issue with the overall tone you want to fix. But if it's for the skin tone, the yellows, you can add a bit of blue right here like this. Just move the sliders and see what it does. Yeah, then once it's going towards what you want, you just reduce to get a balanced look. In the reds also, you can either increase the reds if the skin is not popping enough or reduce it if it's too much. So let's just pop it a bit like this, a bit like this. Here was the before and here is the after. Now come to ASAP again. If you want to pop the color, just click on color pop and voila, before and after. You can always reduce opacity of any of these stuffs, reduce the opacity. And let's take a look at the overall before and after. Here was the before. You can see how terrible everything looks. And here is the after. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips, tricks, and photography tutorial. Get a zap right now. There's a little bit more we can do. We can remove this distraction right here. Easy to do. If you need me to do that, let me know in the comment section. And also liquefy our body to give it more kind of modeling look. That's beyond the scope of this tutorial. If you want me to tutorial on liquefy, on distraction removal, let me know in the comment section right now. Like this video to support the channel. Happy to be part of your creative journey. See you in another amazing tutorial.